Alrighty, we are here at some unused parking garage here at Mayfair Mall in Wauwatosa, Wisconsin. Over there, that's the old Boston store. And there's the parking garage right next to Nordstrom. And there's Nordstrom right there. And we got an elevator here to ride. Just Schindler 338. At the 3. You can tell this thing is dirty since it's got less uses. All right, here we go. Here at 3. It still runs pretty well, actually. Doorbells does not work. Lantern's there. Let's get a cab view. It's a very basic cab for a 338. Yeah. In spite of the less uses it gets, it's still pretty dirty, and the ceiling is very moldy, as you can see. Indicator, HDVR buttons, 35 touch mile capacity. Takes a while to level going down. And it says August of 2005. All right. There it goes. Yeah, this thing is a very dirty elevator for sure. Although it does run pretty well, like I said, but the cab definitely needs to be cleaned. All right, that's it.